What are we doing?
So much has changed. Our world seems to be in chaos.
Some people are angry, some people are scared.
Some people are being unkind
and hurting each other with their words or actions.
Instead of coming together,
many people are fighting about their differences.
Sometimes it feels like one bad thing after another keeps happening.
Our beautiful world is hurting. Many people are losing hope.
The worldwide pandemic has changed everything.
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 Division, isolation,
loneliness, anger,
fear,
depression,
doom and catastrophe.
These are the popular headlines of our day.
But there is greater power in the choices we make.
Even during these hard times,
I will choose compassion.
I will choose compassion.
I will choose compassion.
I will choose compassion.
And from compassion,
I will act in kindness.
I will act in kindness.
I will act in generosity.
What will you choose?
What will you choose?
Bạn sẽ chọn cái gì?
No matter who you are.
No matter where you come from.
No matter what you have or don't have.
You can choose compassion.
You can choose compassion.
Puedes escoger compasión.
You can act in kindness and generosity.
You can make a difference just like I can.
Như tôi có thể.
Like I can. Through compassion, we can start to put our world back together.
It starts with me.
It starts with me.
It starts with you.
It starts with us.
It starts with us. United together. United together. Together.
Together.
Together.
Compassion is greater.
Suosjećanje je uvijek veće.
Compassion is greater.
La compasión es mejor.
Compassion is greater.
Hi everyone, I'm Laura Queen, the Portland Director of Sparrow Clubs. I'm so excited that everyone is back in school and doing activities. You just heard a powerful message about compassion that I would like to dig a bit deeper into. The video expressed that compassion starts with the individual. How does that compassion start with you? I want you to ask yourself a question, and I want you to just think about it for a moment. In fact, think about it often, because it's an important question to ask yourself. Here's the question: who am I? Now, it's going to be really tempting to just answer this question with an obvious and quick answer. Who am I? Well, I'm a student. I'm a soccer player. I'm a math whiz. I'm a musician, and so on. But I want you to dig a bit deeper than that. I want you to go past the quick answer and get to the core of you. I want you to dig until you discover answers like this. I am kind. I am empathetic. I am compassionate. Life can be a whirlwind sometimes. Our lives can be so busy, messy even. We have so much going on, trying to keep up with grades, trying to listen to our parents, trying to be good friends, trying to pick out what to wear, trying to do everything just right. But what happens when life throws you things that are difficult? And maybe you don't get to do the things that make you, who you think you are anyway. Who are you when you're not the student, or not the soccer player, or not the math whiz? This is an important question, because who you are when you don't have those things will be what picks you up and keeps you believing in yourself. It is what will motivate you to do good things in the world. And if you can remind yourself that you are kind, empathetic, and compassionate, you can remind yourself that you have what you need, that you are important, and that your kindness plays a vital role in this life. Being a kind and compassionate person is a powerful way to be. Being kind and compassionate is the most wonderful thing about you. And another thing, it is the most lasting thing about you. As you grow, the things that make you who you are on the surface, like the soccer player and the musician, those things might change. But if you remember who you are at your core, the kind, empathetic, and compassionate person, those things will always be there. So I want to give you an opportunity to do just that. Use your kindness and compassion and see how it makes such a huge difference for others. You're going to meet your new sparrow through a special video. And after the video, I'll be back to tell you how you can use your compassion to help your sparrow.
Can't figure out just where you're going. The road you're on feels like a dead end. But when you feel the door is closing, well, that's when hope comes in. Well, that leap of faith has got you down. There's a blessing you forgot to count. Looking for peace has left you broken. Well, that's when hope comes in. Life can change when you least expect it to. It's amazing what a twist of fate can do. You're never through, no matter how much you've been through. So no matter how your story looks, there's still chapters left in her book. Just when you think you've reached the end, that's when hope comes in. Change when you least expect it to. It's amazing what a twist of fate can do. You're never through, no matter how much you've been through. So trust whatever you believe. There's a reason why you dream your dreams. We're just in time, like a long lost friend. That's when hope comes in. Yeah, that's when hope comes in.
Wesley and I am 6.
Hi, I'm Zach and I'm his brother and I'm 9.
And yeah, my mom and dad.
And we're super excited for Wesley to be your guys' sparrow.
After watching the video, I have a feeling your hearts are bursting with compassion for your sparrow. So let's put that compassion to work. Here's the challenge. As a student body, you are challenged to complete at least 300 hours of community service on behalf of your Sparrow. Every hour served up to the 300-hour marker is worth $10 for your Sparrow. Just by accomplishing the challenge, you get to raise $3,000 for your Sparrow family. Record your hours on a Sparrow service voucher and write a brief personal reflection on what helping your Sparrow meant to you. We love to give these vouchers to your Sparrow at the end of your club. So this is a great opportunity to write something meaningful to your Sparrow. And hear me when I say your words mean the world to your Sparrow. Vouchers are available through several online options. Please ask your school advisor on how you can access them. At the end of your video, you saw a community sponsor page full of logos. These logos represent all the businesses and individuals in your community who have made it possible for your acts of service to turn into money that helps your Sparrow through their medical journey. These sponsors believe in your compassion so much that they have donated thousands of dollars to be unlocked by you for your Sparrow. All right, so there we have it. You've met your new Sparrow, you've heard their story, you've been challenged to serve. And after you serve, you're going to fill out the service vouchers with your personal reflection. I hope you discover how much joy there is in serving others. I can't wait to see what you do for your Sparrow and your community. Thank you so much. Remember, be kind, and in every situation, remember, compassion is greater.